Why you should choose OWMSIC OBD2 scanner and 12 volts battery tester. Plug and play check engine code reader, live data and smog check, no battery needed. The OWMSIC OBD2 scanner and battery tester is an all-in-one automotive diagnostic solution designed for car owners, DIY mechanics, and professional technicians. By combining engine fault diagnosis and advanced 12 volts battery testing, it delivers complete vehicle health insights using a single compact device. With full OBD2 functionality, users can quickly read and clear check engine codes, monitor live data streams, and verify I/M readiness status before emissions testing. The dedicated smog check function helps drivers avoid failed inspections, saving time and money. The built-in professional battery analyzer goes beyond simple voltage checks. It measures cold cranking amps, CCA, battery health, SOH, charge level, SOC, internal resistance, and charging performance, generating detailed diagnostic reports that help predict battery failure before it happens. Designed for simplicity and durability, this plug-and-play scanner requires no internal battery, apps, or internet connection. Its high-contrast backlit LCD screen and ergonomic buttons ensure reliable operation in garages, repair shops, or at home. Compatible with 99% of 1996 plus gasoline vehicles, the OWMSIC scanner is a powerful, cost-effective diagnostic tool you can trust. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching my video. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.